Hello, welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about guessing game in Python. This is the beginners, very much pretty Python beginners who can easy to understand and write this game. And this game basically I have designed for assuming one secret number. For playing this game is assuming one secret number that the user to be assume that particular number and he need to enter. If he is entered with the three chances are available. Within the three chances, if he is entered the guessing number to my secret number is matched, he is the won the game. Otherwise, he lost the game and he needs to try again one more time. For this implementation, I am using while loop to implement this one. How I will show you the simple steps and simple manner. Now see, I'm declaring as a secret number cc underscore num. My secret number is 8. I have declared a variable and taken as a secret number is 8. And guessing and count, like how many times you can guess it, 3 times chances I'm going to give. And like just a second, guessing limit we have to take it. Guess underscore limit, that is in a 3. And guessing count by default, it's an initial level, it's in a 0. All right. While implementing the loop statement, we have to use yes underscore clt is less than s underscore limit. If it is in a less than in the limit, it should be run guess equal to int. That is a number only, numeric only. We are going to be interpreting here. We have to take in a numeric number and. You can, as you implement as your wish to, with the digit, if you want to string, you can guess what is the user inputs we are going to be taking here. Right. And is guess underscore cnt, that the value is equal to not equal to. We have to on increment this value on every the user is entered the guess value which is not matched with this guess. Hence, we can implement the guess count and repeat the same like. And now see here. Now what is my logic is going to be here? If entered guess equal to simple guess a secret SEC number underscore number. My guess secret number. This one. It is an 8. If it is a guess user input, what is entered here in the user input, which is the number is passing here, that is equal to my secret number. Then what I can tell them, print simply, I'll throw the message, you won this game. You won this game, simply. And if the person who is entered, I'm breaking the loop here itself. Alright. Else part will commence with the if where the position is F. See the straight line it's showing. Okay. Now if it is not commenced, else what we have to write is here print you loss or you're not guess the game, try next time. You put it as a double quotes, otherwise it will treat as something other. Right. Now see here as a simple statements what we have used and passed the statement over here. We need to stop over here with the if condition. Right. Else it's asking. Now my secret number is 4. You are not guess game. Try next time. If I press 3, You are not guess the game. Try next time. Okay, press 5. You are not the, the three limits. The three limits what see here. One, two, three limits what we have implemented over here. The guess limits. And rerun and the program is executed successfully and rerun it. And if you press 3, it's not guessed. If you press 8, see here, you won the game and it will be loop will be terminated and break the game. You have to use this break whenever if you have won the game. Otherwise, the loop will continue. All right. And this is the way is the simple steps to write a program of guessing game. Hope you understand. You try to practice with the different aspects like a name. You can specify your secret name and you make it as a guessing as in a string and like matching with the same string. If it is not matched, the guess is not matched. That is a very easy to write the guessing game. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.